On this short video, I'm going to show you how to enable and get the Instagram messaging update option in less than 1 minute. So, all what you want to do, guys, actually there is two ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go to the Play Store and then search for Instagram and click on update if you found it right here, because if you don't have the latest version of Instagram, you won't get the latest features. So you have to update your Instagram. And the second way is you have to contact Instagram support team. If you don't know how to contact Instagram support team, I have some videos, you can check them. I showed you how to contact the Instagram to report any problem you have. So that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.